Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your income with Acorns easy tutorial step by step. Acorns is a great tool to help protect your income. First, download the Acorns app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select Get Started. You'll need to create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Next, you'll provide some basic information about yourself. This includes your name, date of birth, and your primary residence. After that, you'll be asked to answer a few questions about your financial goals. These questions help Acorns recommend the right investment strategy for you. Once you've completed this, move on to linking your bank account. Select Link Bank and enter your bank's information securely. This allows Acorns to round up your purchases and invest the change. Now, choose your investment portfolio. Acorns offers various portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Select the one that best aligns with your financial goals. Once that's done, review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Now, set up your Roundups feature. This feature will automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases. You can also choose recurring investments for additional funding. Decide how often you want to make these deposits. Next, configure your notifications to stay updated about your account. Enable alerts for investment performance and transaction updates. Review your investment dashboard to see your progress. The dashboard gives you an overview of your portfolio's performance over time. Regularly check back to adjust your investments according to your needs. With Acorns, you'll be on your way to protecting your income today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.